Okay, so this kid asks his friend, he says, "Hey, Tommy, what kind of car does your dad drive?" And Tommy says, I don't know the name, but I think it starts with a P. And the other kid says, "Wow, our car starts with a key." It starts with a key. Can you name some cars that start with P in the comments? That would be cool. And a second joke, somebody came up to me and said, "Hey, Bill." That's my name. People have been wondering. I'm Bill. They said, "Bill, do you have trouble making up your mind?" And I said, yes and no. Jokes of the day. And if you notice these jokes, they all have do, does, don't, and doesn't. I'm focusing on a little bit of the grammar. This is present simple structures in these jokes, but every day there'll be two. And every week there'll be different structures focused. So these are jokes of the day plus a little bit of grammar. So if you like it, hit the like button, share, subscribe, tell your friends, laugh, learn some jokes, and get some English. Thanks. Stay tuned tomorrow for 2 more jokes of the day.